Hello, my name is Darius and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Doozy. Today I got an OPPO A5 2020. This phone was released in October of 2019 and I got the one with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of memory, as you can see from the box. Let's get my trusted knife and remove the plastic. Just from the box alone, you can see it is going to be a big phone. And from the details on the bag, it's clear that OPPO designed it to be a budget gaming phone. Just quickly get rid of this plastic. The bottom of the box slides out. And the first thing we see are the user manuals. Let's see how many of them we got. Oh wow, that's an unexpected bonus. There is a phone case included. Of course, here's also the SIM card ejector tool. Let's not go any deeper into this boring part. We'll put the phone to the side for now and see what else is included. Just need to remove this cover. Here we got the wall adapter. Going further, I see some headphones. This is the part where I'm usually disappointed in other budget phones, but these look quite decent. And finally we got the USB-C cable. It's always a struggle to unwrap these, but as this is an unboxing video, it needs to be properly unboxed. Now let's get to the main event, the phone. And the first thing you notice, it's quite big phone. But for its size, it feels light and smooth in the hand. Also, I did not expect to find 4 cameras in a budget phone. This model weighs 195 grams and has a plastic frame and a plastic back, which is easy to scratch, so it's good that they provide a free case for it. It also comes with a pre-fitted screen protector. On the right side you'll find the power button. On the left side the volume rocker and the SIM tray. On the bottom the USB-C port, the 3.5mm audio jack and the speaker with Dolby Atmos. The IPS LCD screen is 6.5 inches in size with a 720 by 1600 resolution and a 270 pixels per inch density. The operating system is Android 9.0 Pie. This particular model has internal memory of 64 gigabytes and 3 gigabytes of RAM, but you can buy versions of this phone with 128 gigabytes of memory and 4 gigabytes of RAM, of course for a higher price. And as usual, you can expand the memory with a micro SD card in its dedicated slot. Now we come to the camera, and this phone has, as I said before, 4 on the back, with a wide and an ultra-wide lens and 1 in the front. Other features are a LED flash, HDR and panorama pictures. Now, let's see how the provided case fits on the phone. Okay, with a little bit of persuasion, it fits snugly around the phone. Now we come to the battery, and you get a big 500 mAh non-removable one with a power bank and reverse charging option. For a budget phone, it has quite some cool features. You got a fingerprint scanner on the back, there is a compass, gyro, proximity sensor and the accelerometer. We just need to remove this sticker and we will be done with the unboxing. So if you like this video and you would like to see more phones getting unboxed, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.